Here is the start of this fiberglass rowboat project. May came from Sundance Lake. She was in a little bit of rough condition with a hole in the floor and completely rotten concrete down the center. This is the condition of ripping out the rotten parts of the fiberglass and concrete. Here, I poured some fresh concrete, using a rebar as a core center part.
All prepped and ready for
And
cement.
there's the concrete full.
Concrete is in place.
The next step was to fiberglass. And lots of fiberglass went on. Up to 7 layers in some areas over time. This one was 4 layers. Here we've sanded down the fiberglass and removed all of the paint, ready for a gel coat to be applied directly to the gel coat. This is one of 2 gel coats for this boat. You can see that slight indent there, and that was indicative of the hole in the bottom. Mate is right beside.
We're doing really good here. We have the interior of the boat fiberglassed and now gel coated. The cedar gunnels are complete. They just need to be sanded and then I can list this boat. So if you're looking for a fiberglass rowboat, you know one's coming for you and you can buy it from me.